Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit at a Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today I'm going to talk about customized interactive historical OHLC candlestick chart using data exchange API in Python. And this is our fifth series. Okay, so I have already done four series. In that I have included video as well as the code. Okay, so the three series you can see in this with code. Okay, and for four series you can come to our profit at a web channel. Okay, and you can catch the stuff here. So in last video I talked about how you can access multiple symbols in fast way, and you can track in a quick way by just putting the symbols. Just give the symbols names as it is, and it will get you the chart. Okay, whether it is to be future or options. Okay, so it is in series, so I should that you should go for it and try to learn, and it is one of the best. And you can, if you want a Delta Exchange API, you can utilize this link, which by visiting this post or profitedaweb.com, just click on this visit Delta Exchange India, fill the forms, open an account, and get the API. Okay, so for other stuff, as to get started with the API placing orders, getting data, I've been already done the video, so please do check it out. Okay. So in this case, the process is will be very much easy. I will make it easy as much as possible. Okay, so let's visit to our ID and do this stuff. So as you can see, we got our stuff, and we will start with our module. Just importing. Already done. We'll go with the row, and here what I'm doing is I'm adding the intervals. So from the first part, what I've been done, I just took it the data, converted to chart, then we got cache folders for storing the data, then third is like adding the multiple symbols, and this is the final one in which I'm gonna do it and interval based. Okay, so if I just click on that interval, it will get me the chart, as well as if I give another symbols according to that, it will get me the chart as well as required intervals. Okay, so just call the row, and let's go for another. So suppose if I'll get the warnings, so all I have to say import warnings, and warnings dot simple filter ignore. Okay, so simple warnings will be there, so try to avoid them. That's it. And now next we will move to our code part, exact code part. So we try to take the references from our symbol. Okay, so we just take it out this stuff and paste it. So we try to give it the on interval symbol. Okay, so it will be if I press the button, I will say on interval. If our button is pressed, okay, it should have some changes, and it will be the changes will be according to self dot resolution, and what I have to give, the widget will be there, which will be on text format. Okay, so kind of these things will be there. So it's kind of an input. So for our symbol we have already given the input, and for this we need to create a box and button, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, the next part is here. I'll add up this in startup. So first of all I just begin with the box. So all I have to say is self dot main underscore box. Instead of that we'll go with the button box. and we will say toga dot box, and instead of column we'll say row. Okay, we'll say row, and in this padding what we have to say, we can say as a 0 comma 10. Okay, so that is how we can say, otherwise we can say as a 10 comma 0. Okay, so that is how we can do. So special in these things I tried to close, and I think this finishes our style pack. Okay, next we have to give the intervals, and that will be, you can check in Delta Exchange API how many intervals are there. So whichever it is suggesting, go for it. So we have 1 minute, we have 3 minute, we have 5 minute, we have 15 minute. Okay. So according to that you can give. So it will be for intraday analysis. This intervals will be best. Okay. So we can go with the 30 minute as well, and then finally we'll go with the 1 hour. Okay. Just put this stuff, and we like to call this interval. In this interval, what happens? Suppose if I am doing some stuff, I should reflect. Okay, so it should be, if I call the intervals, we should get instant change. So we say for interval in intervals. Okay, and in the next we have to give a button. So for button we have to say button equals, uh, in this we have to mention about the button, which will be toga dot button, and in this button what I'm gonna do is call the interval, and in this interval what happens, on press what happens, I have to give as an self dot on interval symbol. So whatever references are there I have to give according, and I have to give a style. Okay, so it will be like that. So we just try to take it until width, and we just give it, so width will be like, we can take it as a 60, and padding will keep the same, and we will close the stuff. Okay, so I think we have done here. So we got the button, and I add this button in our button box. We will say self dot button underscore box dot add button. Okay, so that's what we have to say, and we are good to go. Okay, so I think here we have added stuff, and now right now we will add to our main box. Okay, so here already symbol input is added, so I will do the same. Okay, so just give it, and so what we got, button box. So all we have to say is self dot button underscore box. Okay, if I am not done any mistake, it will give as a required input. Let's check once. So here some mistake is there. It is not symbol. On interval button is pressed, then on press should be considered. I mean on press we should go for this stuff. Okay. So we got the chart. Let me show you the chart. Okay, so as you can see, we got our chart, and I have just got the BTC USD. Okay, and it's on 30-minute chart. Okay, so it is quite good visible. Okay, but say suppose if I want to analyze, if I click on the 1-minute chart, so basically what happens, it is got accumulated n number of candlesticks, and it is not proper visible. Okay, but at least we can analyze what it's going on. Okay, so it will be perfect. So if I just click on 1 minute, 3 minute, I just clear a little bit. 5 minute we can go, then 15 minute. Okay, and if, like, in this the candles are more visible. Okay, so we can go with a 15 minute and 30 minute. You can go perfect. Okay, so 30 minute and 1 hour are perfect to analyze what's going on. Okay, so this is how, and especially this candlesticks helps a lot in price action. So suppose if we get the customized way of working, it will works the best. Okay, and so suppose if I go with algo USD, so we can do some changes according to that. Okay, we just get prepare uh, whatever the symbols I'm looking for, and if I just give, it will get me what I'm looking for. Okay, so whatever get clicked, so especially it contains kind of a memory, and so suppose I was BTC in 1 hour, if I give some symbols, alternative coins, it will get me to the required stuff. Okay, and if I say any of the stuff which I'm looking for, I have just prepare stuff, and if I just paste it, it will work for me. Okay, so you can go with the stuff, and you can analyze in your way, and it will be much faster. And whatever the customization you do, if you get within a kind of a certain category, it helps you a lot. Okay, so as you can see from starting, whatever we have been done, we faced a lot of petty issues. But the end, we resolved it and we got a perfect charts. Now this is kind of a platform where exactly we can put any of these things. As of right side, you can see the blank, so I can put any of the things. As a delta exchange is there, and I can give a better version, a customized way which I am looking for. Okay, and can analyze more. I can put and draw any of the line charts or any of the moving average, this and that, and can analyze in a faster way, in a more quick way, rather than our web based. Okay, so if we just get in local, and we got the API, we can do wonder stuff. Okay, so I must say try to learn Python, and there are a number of videos are there, especially in my channel which I have been given. You just go, especially it is dedicated to programmatic trading in Python, and none of the videos is useless. It will be fully helpful if you do. So whatever, like videos are there, just try to scroll, try to fast forward and see what can be done. Try to get the code from profit@web.com, and try to see what can be done. Okay, so I'll stop it here, and this is the final series of interactive customized way. Okay, so same in the series, I will come with other videos. As of right now, stay tuned. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me at my WhatsApp. Thank you.